Congratulations on making it here. I'm super excited to start this journey with you. And if you've not already watched the demo video, I'm a certified full stack web developer and I'm your instructor for this course. So, we are going to cover a lot of content during this course. We'll have loads of videos. So, it'll be much better if you actually know what we'll be studying from the start, like the structure of the course, right? So we're going to split the course into two major sections. The first is going to be the front end section, and the next is going to be the back end section. Now, most of you will not know what I'm talking about here when I say front end and back end, but don't worry, we're going to cover what they mean in this video itself. So, in the front end section, we're going to cover the standard technologies that anybody might use to create a website, which are HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery is like a child of JavaScript, you would say. And backend actually has a lot of stuff that we're gonna cover, and if I put all of that out, it'll take a complete slide honestly. So I'm just going to list the popular ones, which is the Node.js and Mongo, and they're not just popular; they're actually the most broad topics that you will see as prerequisites in a lot of job. Right? They'll tell you that okay, we are using Node.js as a technology, and you should know this if you want to join us. And one of the other major parts is the coding exercises and the project. So the coding exercises are ungraded and they'll just be for your own practice, right? And hence you'll have follow along solution videos to all of them. Like they'll be a part of the course, they're not like something different or a test or something. There is simple practice problems that we'll do. And while you may simply jump to the solution to see what I'm doing, I highly recommend to try it yourself so that you are able to actually solve problems when you proceed with the final project or your career. And about the final project, it is the only graded thing in the course, and this is what you'll get your certificate based on. Um, it'll be like a good website, but you'll already know all the technologies that you need for this. I'll tell you what all features are required, and then you'll have to construct a website out of that. Right? And believe me, you'll be able to do it if you follow along with my coding exercises, right? Okay, so the last thing is doubt solve. So doubt solving is actually going to be quite important in this course because you'll run into a lot of problems as I did when I was learning. So it's not possible for me to go into 100 videos every day and check for new YouTube comments. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the link of a Google form in the description of each video, and you can go out and fill that form for your queries, and I'll address your queries through that form. However, it's always good to have an interactive community in any course, right? So you may also put your comments down in the comment section of YouTube, and all of you might try to solve each other's problems because that will actually enhance your development capabilities a lot. Okay, so we've now covered what all we are going to cover in the course. So let's start with it. And the first thing you need to know is what we mean by front end and back end. So you'll actually see a lot of developers calling themselves front end developers, and then you'll see a lot of developers calling themselves back end developers. And then there will be a third type who know both of these, and they'll call themselves full stack developers like I do, and you will do by the end of this course. So, what they actually mean is best demonstrated with an example, right? So let's go to this Facebook page right here of Asha Akanksha Foundation. So what front end is basically everything you see right here. So the formatting of this page is front end. That the form will be displayed on the top and not here. The background will be blue, and the logo will be here, and the foundation's logo will be here. And then I'll get this small thing right here if I'm not logged in. And I everything like the post will be displayed in the middle section. There will be a info section on the left and other info on the right. So this is front end, and what back end is actually the thing that decides what all you're going to see. So front end can display whatever it's given, but it cannot display a dynamic web page, right? If I were to use just the front end, then I'd get this form every time. even if I'm logged in, I get this email or phone and password form right here. So what backend does is it sees the state of the user. It sees the, like, if we're talking about posts, like if I log in right here and I go to my timeline and I refresh 10 times, then I'll get different post every time on the top, right? So backend is the technology that decides what will go up when and what will be displayed when. Backend will decide that, okay, this form does not need to be displayed if you are already logged in. If you're logged in, then you'll get your uh, profile photo, you'll get your profile name, you'll get notifications and options to log out or change your settings or all the things like that. So backend is what makes your website dynamic, and front end is what gives the layout to your website, right? And you might still be a little confused with what both of these are, but you'll actually get quite comfortable when we start coding, right? So you just need to have quite basic idea right now, and you'll get to know what they are exactly when we progress with the course. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.